The Pergola DIY Kit PVG-2 from ITeVe.GD is crafted with heavy-duty galvanized steel, ensuring strong, stable, and rust-resistant support for your outdoor structures. This kit's 4-way brackets are designed to fit most 3½ inch by 3½ inch wood beams, accommodating both softwood and hardwood varieties. With its user-friendly installation process, the kit includes 32 steel self-tapping screws and a sleeve, allowing you to quickly assemble your pergola with just an electric drill. Beyond just pergolas, these versatile brackets are perfect for constructing gazebos, playgrounds, porches, and even log cabins, offering protection against wood rot in outdoor environments. The kit also features unique hooks for attaching shade fabrics, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your garden or outdoor space. ITeVe.GD backs their product with a consumer-friendly 1-year guarantee, demonstrating their commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability.